TikTok login problem solved. So if you guys are facing a problem while logging into your TikTok account, then don't worry. Today in this video, I will be showing you the common ways to fix your problem while logging into your TikTok account. But make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So in this screen you can see there is many ways to log into your TikTok account. You can either log in with your phone, email or username. And previously if you have connected your TikTok with your other medias like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, then you can also go for that. So for example, if you have selected use phone, email or username, you'll be opened up to this interface. You can also switch to email or username, and in this section you have to enter all of your information related to your TikTok account. If you have already entered, but also if you are unable to log into your account, then that might be due to various reasons. So in order to fix that problem, the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So before entering, make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using your cellular data, then make sure that it's strong and stable. Once you make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, then you will be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix your problem, then the simplest thing you can do is you have to go back to your home page, and you can tap and hold the TikTok application and go for app info. And over here you have to go for storage and cache option, and you can go for clear cache. By doing that, your TikTok application will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You can go back and try to log in. It will be directly logged into your account. But once again, if you are still unable to fix your problem, then the last and the simple step you can follow is you can restart your device. For that, you can press on your power button and you'll be able to see the shutdown and restart option. Simply tap over restart and your device will be refreshed, by which you will be able to log into your TikTok account. So by following this simple step, your TikTok login problem will be solved. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.